If you want to change your name on ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your profile name using the OpenAI settings page. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for OpenAI platform settings. You can also go directly to the OpenAI settings area if you already have it bookmarked. Once the settings page loads, look for the OpenAI Organization Settings option and click on it. This is where you'll find the account and profile controls connected to your OpenAI setup. After that, you'll be taken into the Organization Settings dashboard. From there, find the section for your profile. Click on Your Profile to open the Personal Settings page. This is the area where your display name and other profile details can be managed. Now, on the Profile page, look for the Name option and click on it. Once the name field opens, simply type in the new name you want to use. Make sure you enter it correctly because this is the name that will appear in your profile settings. After you've typed the new name, take a quick moment to review it one more time. If everything looks good, click Save to confirm the change. This step is important because your update won't be applied until you save it. And that's it. Your ChatGPT name has now been updated successfully. If you ever need to change it again, just follow the same process. Go to OpenAI Platform Settings, open your profile, edit your name, and save the changes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.